So today we're going to open the first toy for our baby. What is it? The baby is here. Yeah.
Look at that. Wow, so good.
What is it? Okay. Wow, wow, wow. Ta-da! What is it? What are they? Wow, ampan man. Ampan man. Yeah. That's ampan man, right?
どこ?
これ。
これプーさん違うか?
Ah, Pusan. Si Pusan di ay. Ah, baby, oh.
見てないべ.
Babe, mite kudasai. Look at here. Hindi pala si Ampan man. My goodness. Si Pusan. Disney baby. Hello, Pusan. Then, another one is open. Andyan si Ampan man. Ito po pala si Ampan man. Yung Japanese character na malaking may malaking cheek. Si Ban. Yeah, that one. Okay. Yan po si Ampan man. Super red ng cheek niya. Yan. Okay, so that's it. First toys ni baby. Ano ni? Ano ni ko rin?
これまだ早いけど、早いけど。
What is it? It's parang musical, yeah. So you can, if you're going to press the buttons, you will hear sounds. But that's too early for our baby. Hindi pa naman siya makapush ng button. But hubby is buying it. So we are surprised because I also didn't know that. Okay, they're here. Toy is from 0-year-old. This one for 6 months. Ay, baby, our baby is still 2 months old now. This one 3 months. Okay, 3 months. Okay, these are open now. At ito, may isa pang dumating na toys. So, we're going to unbox that. Ito pala ang laman. Parang chupon. Like, the baby can eat this one. So, parang ito. So, the baby can eat that one.